Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. Number 7 is get reviews and get sales for your book. This is key. Reviews, one, you want social proof. When people start seeing some reviews on your book, people are going to be like, hey, book is good, has X number of reviews, whatever rating. It's more attractive than a book sitting there with absolutely 0 reviews. Think about how you go shopping. When I go shopping on Amazon, I start looking at the reviews. You know, whatever product I'm looking for, if it has a better rating, I'm going to start looking at that product first. Check out the reviews, see what people are saying. But you have to get sales. Sales is absolutely key, and that's what you really need to focus on in the beginning, because sales is going to affect your sales rank. Sales is going to affect where your book's going to start ranking for its particular keyword. You have to get on the first page for your keyword, and you have to make sure you're within the first 5 spots if you really want to succeed and make some good money off of your book. So the best way of doing this is getting your book in front of the people who are going to buy it. Give it away, do whatever you have to do, but you want to have traffic going to your book. Another way of doing it is running some AMS ads. Basically, it costs you nothing, because when you're running them and you're profitable, you're actually making money back. For every dollar that you spend, you make $2 back in return. We're going to talk about that in the next video. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.